About 92% of New Zealand's eggs come from hens kept for life in battery units like this. Row upon row of cages stacked in tiers. It's not surprising that the birds become stressed and frustrated in such conditions. Squashed inside with other hens, each bird's floor space is smaller than an A4 piece of paper. These hens in a New Zealand battery farm are clearly very crowded, so much so that if one bird moves, the others have to all move as well. They are unable to open their wings. Feathers on their necks and breasts are worn away by rubbing against the metal cages. Many suffer from painful foot disorders because they are on sloping metal floor for life. Chickens reared for meat are called broilers and live in huge windowless sheds shown here on a New Zealand farm. Again, these poor birds never breathe fresh air or scratch around in the earth. Tens of thousands can be crammed into one building, making it impossible for the farmer to properly check on their welfare. Because they are fattened up so quickly, their legs may not be able to support their own bodies. Their young bones frequently break, causing extreme pain and suffering. The many deaths are considered an acceptable part of the industry. The rest are killed for meat at about 6 weeks old. A few lucky battery hens are released to sanctuaries where at first they're confused, but after a while they start to adjust and enjoy their new life, experiencing grass beneath their feet for the first time, and are able to stretch out their wings. After all, they're not so different to our own native birds. Just like our wild tuis and pukekos, they need to carry out their natural instincts. Chickens have the urge to scratch, perch, and dust bathe. We can all make choices that affect the lives of these birds. So find out where your eggs and chicken come from. Use your power as a consumer and boycott factory farmed food.